Where, where are we going? Why are you asking? Is there any problem? Oh my, I'm so tired. OMG, I forgot in my wallet. What will I do to get it? I cannot eat. I cannot eat if I don't get it. What I'm gonna do? But if you let me borrow some, I will eat. I will eat. I will be happy. I will be complete. But will I be the same again? Will I be like this forever? Shame on me! Shame on me! Can I ever change again? Lord, please. Pinagtataboy yan yung mga... What will I do? What will I do? I will give it to, I will give it to, I will give it to, thank you, by David Cervela.